trying to send large files to people, especially now, can be a real pain. Email's a pretty low limit. It's about 25 megabytes. You might be able to get a little bit more out of iMessage, but if you're sending a video of just about any size, it pretty much won't work. So this is a really cool workaround that I love. It's called WeTransfer. It's fast, it's easy, it's free. I'm really excited to share it with you. And it's so quick, it'll only take a couple minutes to show you. So if you have a file that you want to send that's just too large for email, all you have to do is go to WeTransfer.com. And you don't even need to sign up. You can sign up if you want. It doesn't really change anything if you're using the free version. Or you can have a paid membership, which has a larger limit to what you can transfer. But this allows you to send up to 2 gigabytes worth of files to anybody you want. And you can do that as many times as you want. So even if you don't pay for the higher limit, you can do as many 2 gigabyte transfers as you want. So just to demonstrate how this works, I'm going to use this file from my desktop. This is a movie file. It's about 70 megabytes or so, much more than an email would allow. I just drag and drop, and I put the email of the person I'm sending that to. And then here you'll just need to put your email as the sender. And then here you can put any sort of message you want. And then you click transfer. And it will ask for a verification code. It used to only ask for this once in a while, but I think with increased hacking and such, they've been asking for it pretty much every time. So I'm just pulling it off of my phone now. Verification code. And it's showing you the status of the upload. Obviously for larger files this will take a bit longer, but since this one's not terribly big, it goes pretty quickly. And that's it. So the person whose email you put as the recipient, they'll receive an email with a download link that's active for, I believe, 7 days before it expires. You receive a confirmation email that looks like this. This says that the files were sent. It shows you the download link. It shows you the items that were actually sent. And the person who receives it gets an email that looks like this with a very simple link right here for getting the files. And then you'll actually receive a notification by email once they've downloaded the files. So you have a confirmation that the person you're sending it to actually downloaded them to your computer. And again, this is free. You don't even need to sign up for anything. You can transfer as many you can do as many transfers as you want, up to 2 gigabytes, and especially in an age where we're needing to send pretty much everything over the internet, it's a super handy tool. So I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel by tapping or clicking the logo here, and lots more videos to come. See you in the next one.